Let's get you all the details you need to know about this development. The income tax going ahead and acting against Anurag Kashyap, Taapsee Pannu and two others for alleged tax evasion. The raids on the two bitter critics of the Narendra Modi government has also sparked a political fight. Sources in the tax department, however, say that they found a mismatch in the returns filed by the companies owned by the celebrities.
Taapsee Pannu and Anurag Kashyap, outspoken critics of the Narendra Modi government. The two Bollywood celebs woke up to income tax raids on Wednesday morning. The taxman swooped down on 30 locations in Mumbai and Pune as part of their investigation into alleged tax evasion by production house Phantom Films and three other firms. Anurag Kashyap is one of the founders of Phantom Films, which was dissolved in 2018. The other founders, Madhu Mantena and Vikas Bahl, are also under tax lens. The income tax crackdown on Anurag Kashyap and Taapsee Pannu has sparked a major political controversy. The opposition has hit out at the BJP, calling it a bid to settle political scores.
लोकतंत्र में इस तरह का व्यवहार ये कभी भी नहीं हुआ जो आज मोदी सरकार देश में कर रही है। फिर किसानों के आंदोलन की भूमिका हो तो राष्ट्रध्वज लगाएंगे और उनकी सरकार की सच्चाई अगर जनता के सामने रखने की बात जो भी करेगा तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करने का जो अभियान मोदी सरकार ने शुरू की है उसका कांग्रेस जोर से विरोध करती है।
पिछले कई दिनों से अनुराग कश्यप हो, तापसी हो, कहीं ना कहीं मोदी सरकार की नीतियों पे खुलकर कटाक्ष वो लोग कर रहे थे, आवाज़ उठा रहे थे। उन्हें दबाने के लिए इस तरह की कार्रवाई की गई है।
The government has dismissed charges of vendetta, accusing the opposition of seeing everything through the prism of politics.
ये तो सवाल उठाएंगे जब हमारे सुरक्षा बल आतंकवादियों का सफाया करेंगे, तब भी सबूत तो सवाल पूछते हैं। ये जब जो है वो हमारे देश के सम्मान, देश के स्वाभिमान की रक्षा होती है, तब भी जो है इनको लगता है कि इस पे भी जो है वो कुछ खोट है। तो इसलिए जो एजेंसियां हैं उनको स्वतंत्र ढंग से अपने काम करने देना चाहिए। इस तरह के बेवकूफ़ियों के सवाल से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है।
The income tax raids right in the middle of the election season have raised questions regarding the timing of the action. Many have raised questions whether this is a wild goose chase or was there solid evidence warranting the raids. Though income tax sources have confirmed that there were discrepancies in the returns filed by the entities and individuals whose premises were searched. Only thorough evaluation, a detailed evaluation will confirm the total amount of income tax evaded. With Munish Pandey and Shruti Barjatia, this is Divesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.